Wait, what?
Did Jeff give you a gift?
Not yet. It's something funny. It's something... What's that in your hand, Choi? I don't think your mother would approve of this.
Is that beer?
Facebook.
Yes, Choi is drinking.
Is that a
Choi is... And it tastes terrible, too, so...
Yeah, pretty
it
bad.
might turn into a habit, you know? If you could drink that. Huh?
The flavor's not different.
Really?
Yeah.
Huh. I don't know. Is it less bitter, though?
Still tastes the same.
Yeah, it does taste like sponge. Did you eat something? Screw lime, I'm going for lime. Alright, but I still gotta wait for that grapefruit.
The grapefruit's amazing, right? It's like the best grapefruit you've ever had in your entire life.
Oh wow. The beer still tastes like shit.
I know, some things just can't be helped. Has everyone tried it? Tamara, have you tried it yet?
I just finished sampling.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
Is that a video?
Yes, it's a video. I think. Wait, it doesn't tell me how much time I have left on it.
Wait, what does meat taste like?
You know, I wondered about that myself.
Yeah, it's kind of Friday. I didn't feel like Wow, this is really sweet.
I know! What else? Talk about it.
An explosion of sweetness in my tongue.
Mm. It's an explode. It's a party in your mouth. Oh shit! Phone. I know it's the best grapefruit you've ever had.
I haven't had it yet.
What's happening? You're at Broadway and 8th. All right. Do you know which way is east? All right. Purple what? Oh, yeah, we do have a purple. Well, you know what? How about I come down and get you, all right? All right, wait. I'll come down and get you. Stay where...
This is so good.
Stay outside of the train station. I'll come get you. Wait, it's not working for you? Wait, I haven't taken one yet because I'm waiting for people. Have you tried it yet, Simon? I mean, is it working?
No, it's not.
It's not working for you?
I think I need like 4 more pills.
You're lying.
It still burns.
Upstairs, it's still sour.
Really?
No, I was gonna just put it in. I still taste the acidity.
Is it sweet at all, though?
It's sweet.
Okay.
A little bit.
Huh. All right, I gotta go down and get Ashley. I'll be back, guys. Don't do anything.
Don't do anything.